always doing that to me for whatever reason. I don't know. But right now, I want Jamaica just join hands. And we'll just have a word of prayer. On stage for put eye. Pray, please. Do me a big.
So we say you're overreacting.
No.
Because you went as far as to make a song about it.
No, I made a song, yes, because my first song I made about the situation was in 2014. We're now in 2016. I don't think that he should be even mentioning my name, or as far as I see it. You understand what I'm saying? That's how I see it. So right now, I just want to put a stop to it. And another thing, I want all the women out there, if you're a mother out there or whatever, you have a son, we just want to hug up on a son, love on a son, cherish them, make them know say them love. Because listen, this is a part of the problem. When you grow up without love from your mother as a man, you grow up and test and be a nuisance in a people girl picnic life. Because if him did not get that love there, when bit fear get when him a grow, he would have used to love. And because me now come make boys to say, boy is loved, you understand, and boy is important, me can't live my life in peace, me can't move on. Him coming like a thorn, him coming like a pest in my skin, and that has a lot to do with the fact that when you were growing up, you didn't get that love.
Hence why you should go easy on the guy, because if he found love in you, and...
Yeah, but it's done. And if you were doing what you were supposed to be doing, you wouldn't have lost. When you love something, you take care of it and you cherish it, right? You don't destroy it. So we're done off of that page, Winfred. I don't know how I try patch her or nothing like that. But just I try make the woman them know, say, treat on the son the right way. To avoid all of that generation curse that we are going. So anyway, I have other singles. I have Abe, that's doing very well. I have Ooh La La. And he's not talking about that. That's a must play because I speak for... You understand? I have this single called Schoolgirl, where right now I think that's a very positive message, and it's talking about, you know, education, because that's how I sing about the stuff that I really believe in. You understand?
What is education?
It's doing well. I'm just saying, I try to encourage the little girl them to listen to in school.
Are they listening?
Them are listening because it's going on very, very well. Very, very well. It's the views on YouTube. I don't do a pay for it as yet, but all of that is coming soon. But the feedback from the very, very well.
Nice.
Yes.
Then that's good news. That means that they're listening to some good message.
Positive message. I just try to sing when we feel like, say, other women are not singing. I'm not going to sing the everyday topics. You understand? I have all type of songs. I have raunchy songs. I have good songs. But you have some people who just choose to say the negative all the time and just try and pick out. They don't look at the bigger picture sometimes. You understand? And really, I don't care. I'm not here to please them. Me all right with my fans them. On social media, I'm all right with them. Me all right with
Don't forget to say that you're on stage hot always.
I'm on stage hot everywhere hot.
Okay. So hot is hot. She's on stage hot.